Once upon a time, in the mythical court of Camelot, King Arthur and his knights gathered at the Round Table. That legendary story now lives on your wrist. Meet the new Roger Dubuis Knights of the Round Table. The Enchanter, Merlin, a breathtaking creation that pushes métier d'art to a whole new level. Each of the 12 knights is a micro-sculpted 6mm warrior in 18-karat pink gold. Swords, mallets, axes, no two are alike. They're designed first as resin prototypes, scanned in 3D, then hand-engraved to perfection, before taking their place on the dial as hour markers. At the heart sits Merlin's invisible crystal palace for the Lady of the Lake. 56 hexagonal columns in glass, enamel, white and pink gold, and even invisibly set hexagonal diamonds. It's a dazzling, three-dimensional scene, unlike anything else in watchmaking. To house this miniature epic, Roger Dubuis uses its imposing 45mm Excalibur case in pink gold. With a notched bezel, sword-like crown guard, sapphire crystal ring, and brushed polished surfaces, it's bold yet refined. Flip it over and you'll find Arthurian quotes on the case back and a Geneva Seal certified automatic caliber RD821 with a stained glass inspired rotor delivering a 48-hour power reserve. Completing the look is a white calfskin strap with quick release and a pink gold folding clasp. Limited to just 28 pieces and priced at 336,000 Swiss francs, this boutique exclusive is part watch, part legend. The Roger Dubuis Knights of the Round Table, the Enchanter Merlin, isn't just a timepiece, it's a story, a sculpture, and a slice of Arthurian magic on your wrist.